My camera is running out of batteries. Alright, we're still in the same position we were in before. I'll even show you if I have to take it back off. Nothing's changed. Still the same adapter, still the same thing. I want anybody think I'm pulling a fast one on them? I need to grab a wrench for this real quick. 1 second. Whoops. Of course, this would be a lot easier being on the car, but I wanted to have it out so I can show you exactly what it takes to put this on. And one more. I'm going to torque it down, kind of like a crisscross pattern so we don't get any warpage. And that's it. That's all there is to putting it on. Except for, like I said, doing the studs, it does take a little time. I will be honest, just like with the previous version, even with this stud, it took a little while to get it to fit into place. But I made it to where it's a tight fit. The adapter will not move around and cause any kind of lips on the inside of the, from the transitioning from the adapter to the lower manifold or the upper manifold. It's just a straight shot all the way through. And the way I designed the studs, it helps it line up exactly in place every time. You can see here what it takes to go, what I did with these. I started with our 1018 cold rolled steel rod there, cut them down to blanks. I machined them into something like this, and then I turned them around and lopped the other side off and put the threads on it with a thread mill, which is this guy right here. I don't know if you can get that on camera. Yep, that's the thread mill. Pretty cool little tool. Makes some really nice threads. But that's all goes into it. And you can see here, it is flat, it is flush, and it is leak-free with those O-rings. And those should last you a long time and be less of a pain in the ass than scraping off old gasket material, which I know everybody hates that shit. But that's it. And it's all made on our Tormach PCNC 1100. I do all the G-code myself. I learned all the G-code myself within a year. I did all this because I wanted to give good parts to the rotary community and good parts to my friends and stuff like that. It really sucks, and I hate to hear you guys getting shitty parts, because that's just kind of stuff that really kills our community and our wallets too, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If anybody has any questions on how Do you install this? If you want to purchase our kit, or if you want to talk about this anymore, just shoot me a message at Obsidian Labs on Facebook. Thanks, guys.